YouTube friends, and welcome to a new video. Today we will review and unbox the DYU C3, a little foldable electric bike. And here we have the little bike. As you can see, the bike is very well packed, very nice. Okay, let's get it out. The bike also comes with this little box, and in the box we have a manual. Thank you. And here we have some pedals. Thank you. And then next up we have the charger. And also we have a very nice tool. Wow. That's a nice tool set. Let's assemble the bike now. Let's put the pedals. Yeah, bring it to the bike. I will take this one. Come. Check your tires, but the tires were full. This bike almost comes pre-assembled, so it was very easy. We just had to assemble the seat, the pedals, the front fender and the rear light. That's it. Finished. Okay, let's take this bike for a little ride and see how it is. But before we do that, let's actually pop it in the car first and drive to a nice location. Because that's how easy this bike is to carry with you. Just lower the seat, fold the handlebar, and it's super easy to carry with you. Let's go! I'm heading to the seaside to go for a nice ride. And we're off to go. That's how fast it is to assemble this bike. Let's go. The seaside was a bit too misty, so I popped the bike back in the car and I'm driving to another location now, where it's a bit more sunny maybe. Now let me tell you a bit about the specifications of this bike. Unlike traditional electric bikes with a cadence sensor or a torque sensor on the bottom bracket, this bike has a throttle to activate the electric motor. It's a nice way to control your speed, like a motorbike, but check your local regulations if it's allowed on the public road. The motor is a 250 watt rear hub motor and the battery is 36 volt and 7.5 amp hour. It's nicely built into the frame. You cannot remove the battery from the frame, but since the bike is so small, it's not really a problem to take it into your house or your garage to charge it. You can reach 25 km pure electric, or even up to 34 km if you pedal yourself as well. The top speed is about 25 km per hour. To stop it we have some good disc brakes, one in front and one in the rear. That's really nice on fast bikes. The bike comes with a nice bright front LED light and a rear light that includes a brake light. That's very cool. The rear rack can carry 25 kilograms. All in all, it's a very nice little bike. Whether you just bring it into your car, or you bring it in with your camper, riding the train, or you just don't have a lot of space in your house. This bike has many purposes and it always comes in handy. And with a price for under 500 euros, it's not too expensive either. Okay, I'm going to take it for another ride. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.